Hello everybody, in this tutorial we will be completing exercise number 7. So here we have the instructions. It says Garcia Company owns equipment that cost $83,200 with accumulated depreciation of $44,000. So the first one states record the sale of equipment assuming Garcia sells the equipment for $51,800 cash. So the first thing that we need to put here is cash, $51,800 debit because cash is increased. Then accumulated depreciation of equipment will be, as we can see here, $44,000. Then the equipment, as we can see here, the grand total was $83,200. And then if we do the math, the gain on sale of equipment is $12,600. The next one, letter B, states record the sale of equipment, assuming Garcia sells the equipment for $39,200 cash. So once again, the first one will be cash for this amount, $39,200. Once again, it is a debit because cash is increased. Then accumulated depreciation of equipment will be the same amount, $44,000. And the grand total of this equipment is again $83,200. And the last one states record the sale of equipment, assuming Garcia sells the equipment for $34,100 cash. So once again, the first thing is cash for $34,100. It is a debit because cash is increased. It is a sale for cash. Then we have accumulated depreciation once again for $44,000. In this case, it is a loss on sale of equipment for $5,100 and a credit for the grand total of the equipment that will be $83,200. So this is the way that we need to complete exercise number 7. Thank you.